Thanks for joining us on this Wednesday evening. Meteorologist Breton with your latest forecast. This pattern of pretty frequent rain events looks like it's going to continue. We have more rain on the way for Thursday, but the morning hours will be dry. Showers will be developing between about noon and 4 o'clock from southwest to northeast. And then there will be some periods of heavy rain, downpours in the late afternoon and early evening. Right now it looks like southern and eastern Connecticut will get the heaviest of the rain, and we'll have to keep an eye on some of those downpours. If they travel over the same places, there could be some street flooding or some minor flash flooding. Right now there are no watches in effect for Connecticut, but just nearby to our east in eastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island there are flood watches. So we'll see if these get expanded. It's possible tomorrow that happens. As for right now, we're in good shape. We have a lot of sunshine and clear sky, and tonight will be no problem at all. Storm system to our northeast adding in the breeze. That's why it's been a bit of a breezy Wednesday. But this is what we're watching for tomorrow, and it's kind of an unusual setup for this point in the year. Pretty strong storm is going to track across the country and then go just south of us. But how close it comes will determine how much of the heavy rain we get into, and that's really the challenge for tomorrow's forecast. For tonight, though, it will be dry, clear to partly cloudy. Temperatures dropping generally to between 60 and 65, warmest along the shoreline. And we'll start your Thursday with some sunshine, but clouds will be pretty quickly increasing through the morning. Dry all morning long, though, and then here approaches the rain. This is noontime. It's still relatively far to our west at that point, but there could be a stray shower in western Connecticut by noon or 1 o'clock. By about 4 o'clock, I think showers are developing in most of the state. And then from here, we'll be watching a batch of some pretty heavy rain around New York City and New Jersey. And just how much of us get into this heavy rain during Thursday evening is a question. But if you get into some of these downpours, you could get 2 or 3 inches of rain. That's how heavy some of this rain will be. Right now, the thinking is this area of low pressure will travel to our south with the very heaviest of the rain near and just to its north. So northwestern Connecticut probably doesn't get the heaviest rain out of this, but southern and eastern areas during Thursday evening into the first part of Thursday night, it likely will be quite wet with showers, downpours, and the possibility for a few thunderstorms. We'll have to watch where this warm front sets up. Right now, it looks like it stays south of us, but near this warm front, especially over southeastern New England, there could be a couple of severe or rotating storms. We think that stays out of Connecticut as it stands now, but if this were to move north just a little bit, southeastern areas could get into that. So we'll have to watch the trends, but the bottom line is it looks wet Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, and there will be some thunder within that rain as well. So this is a look at the potential rainfall, and you can see how quickly the amounts increase. The least to the north, the most to the south and east. So if that system does nudge in a little bit closer to us, these numbers could go up. But I think it's a good bet that most of us get an inch or two of rain in the southern and eastern part of the state. As I mentioned, a small risk for a severe storm, but it does appear more likely over Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Then this gets out of here for Friday, and we have a beautiful day, much like today was. Mostly sunny, fairly low humidity, and breezy with high temperatures for most of us in the low 80s, upper 70s in the Northwest Hills. The weekend, well, we continue the theme of every couple days we get some rain. A chance for an afternoon shower or storm on Saturday, particularly in western Connecticut. Some of those could produce some downpours. It should move out for Sunday, though. Maybe some clouds or a stray shower early in the day, but sunshine developing with high temperatures on Sunday in the mid-80s. So here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Periods of rain developing for the afternoon and evening on Thursday. Mostly sunny and breezy once that moves out for Friday. Chance for a shower or storm on Saturday, but Sunday likely the drier of the 2 weekend days. Mostly sunny on Monday, then the next system with a chance for showers and storms moving in on Tuesday. Stay with us for updates on Thursday's forecast. We'll have more tonight at 10 and 11 and right here online as well.